Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video we are gonna learn how to change the text color, how to give it a shadow, how to give it animation, and how to change the font in Canva. Okay, so here I have this text, and the first thing I would like to do is how to change its font. You select it, then you will see this tab here, so just click on that, and then from here you can choose whatever font you want. So let's go with this one. So now you can see that I have changed the font, and then let's say I want to change its size. We can always come here and change it from here. So it's 80, let's say I want to make it 30. So as you can see, it has changed now. To change its color, basically you want to click on this button. It says text color, and then from here you can choose whatever kind of color you want, or you can click on this one, add a new color. So in here you have different colors, and then in here you will also see, like, solid colors as well. So let's say I want a green one, and I can choose it from here. In here you can make it italic, you can give it underline, you can have it a strike through. Also in here you can choose whether to make it upper case or lower case, but because of the font it will always stay uppercase. So let's say I change this. If I click on that, everything will become uppercase. So as you can see, all of them are now capital letters. Okay, and then here you see the alignment. You want to make it to the left, make it to the right, or you want to make it in the middle. If you have a list, you can actually do that. So every time you press enter, you will see a list in here. Okay, so you can change, like, the list as well to numbers as well. So in here you have the spacing. So you want to have space between letters, line spacing, you have all of that in here. You can change the transparency of the text. As you can see in here, you can change its transparency. And then effects, you can go with a shadow. Let's say you want to give it a shadow, okay, which way you want it, and then you can change the shadow as well. Let's say I gave it a red shadow. And then you have left, you have a halo, you can spice it, you can give it outline. You can also change its color. Also you can give it like a background. Let's say I want to give it a orange background, so that's how you can do it. Or let me just give it a black background. You can do that from here as well. And then in here you can have the shape, which way you want the shape. So if you choose this one, curve, it will come like a curved one, but that is fine. And then you can also give it animation. So if you come here, it says animate. There are different types of animation that you can choose from here. One of the ones that I like is ascent. I love that one. There are other types. You can do the merge, you can have a block, you can have burst, different type. And also when you come down here, there are a few of them that I really love. One of them is pulse. This one is very good. I love that. And then there is another one called wiggle. So this wiggle is also very good. You can see, like, it's moving from here to there. Very good animation actually. I like that one as well. If this video was helpful, please do give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.